Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi niya, "Practice what you preach, Senator Ruben Padilla." Okay. Mayroong pahayag ni Senator Padilla na directed itong nangyayari ngayon na issue, yung sinampahan ni Senator Hontiveros ang mga vloggers. Ilan ba yun? 12 vloggers ang sinampahan ng cyber libel. So, isinare ni Attorney Harry Roque ang post ng Disiplina Duterte. Okay. Ruben Padilla calls out double standards amid cyber libel case filed by Hontiveros. Ito yung, basahin ko muna yung exact statement ni Senator Padilla. "Kapag kayo nagrereklamo, pinakikinggan namin kayo dahil sabi nyo freedom of expression and speech. Pero kapag kayo naman ang inireklamo, tatakotin ninyo ng kaso ang kalayaan ng iba. Pambihira talaga. Practice what you preach." Senator Ruben Padilla. Although wala siyang pinangalanan nga tao, bahala na kayo kung sino yung pinangalanan niya. Kaya ito, ang isang post, Disiplina Duterte, ito na yung title ng kanilang post. Ruben Padilla calls out double standards amid cyber libel case filed by Hontiveros. Senator Padilla took to social media to express his dismay over what he described as a glaring double standard in how freedom of expression is being interpreted and applied. This in light of fellow Senator Risa Hontiveros' recent filing of cyber libel complaint against individuals behind the viral video accusing her of coercion. Padilla, a known advocate for free speech and transparency, emphasized in his Facebook post that when critics of government express their views, they demand protection under the principle of freedom of expression. But when they themselves become the subject of criticisms or allegations, they resort to legal threats to silent dissent. Ito, ang kanyang statement ni Senator Padilla. Ulitin ko, wala siyang pinangalanan. "Kapag kayo nagrereklamo, pinakikinggan namin kayo dahil sabi nyo freedom of expression at speech." Padilla wrote. Pero kapag kayo naman ang inireklamo, tatakutin nyo ng kaso ang kalayaan ng iba. Pambihira talaga. Practice what you preach. His remarks came just hours after Senator Hontiveros filed a cyber libel complaint before the National Bureau of Investigation against former witness Michael Maurilio and the operators of a social media page that uploaded Maurilio's now viral video. In the video, Maurilio alleged that Hontiveros paid him to testify against former President Duterte, Vice President Duterte, and controversial religious leader Apollo Kibuloy. While Hontiveros has strongly denied the claims and labeled the video as part of this information campaign, Padilla's comments struck a chord with many who believe that political figures should be held to some standards they demand from others. Supporters of Padilla echoed his sentiments, with many pointing out that in a democracy, the right to question, criticize, and expose alleged wrongdoing should not be limited only to those in opposition. Padilla has consistently maintained that true democracy means listening to all sides, not just to those who share one's ideology. He stressed that accountability should not be a one-way street, and those who cry foul when criticized must also be willing to face scrutiny when they are the subject of allegations. As the issue continues to unfold, Padilla's statement serves as a reminder of the importance of consistency and fairness in defending democratic principles. So, yun. So, anong masasabi nyo? Yung mga makakaliwa, grabing birada nila sa gobyerno. Ngayon, kung sila naman ang batikosin, yun na, sinampahan na ng kaso. Anyway, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Prince Cobrado, kilala ko ito, bishop ito. Tama ka, Senator Rubin. Ikaw, Risa, karma is waving. You are in panic mode. Nabuking ka na PhilHealth Queen at ngayon ikaw pala ang tanim witness, sabi ni Prince Cobrado. Elma Kinsat Cantillo, great job, Robin. Glad you spoke up and didn't allow Risa to intimidate you. Rochelle Ubon, very well said, Senator Robin. G. Barbasan, tama ka po, Rubin. So, yan, the truth. So, ito, last na lang, Jericardo Mondragon. Freedom of expression, I believe, must be exercised in a standard of good morals, but not to create danger to the lives of everyone, including to discredit a certain individual. For me, there should be a limit, and as a person, we know it and what is right and wrong. This is my honest opinion. Well said, Mr. Rubin. So, ito na, part of democracy din yung karapatan ni Senator Hontiveros na mag-file ng kaso. So, ang mga nasampan ng kaso, kanya-kanyang reaksyon, yun na lang. Depende na sa NBI dahil i-evaluate pa naman ng NBI ang complaint. So, kung may makita sila na basihan, yun, magsasampa na sila ng complaint sa Office of the Fiscal. Yun po ang proseso, part of democracy. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Ang sahod natin sa channel nito is itinutulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng livelihood assistance. Nagpapatanim ng sayote, saging lakatan, at ngayon intercropping na nila ng Arabica coffee doon sa in-between lakatan. So, panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Sa kape ng Col Garciano, mo na ni ang iyang kape nga tulo na katuig apandagan og bunga. So karon nagpalit mi sa iya og seedling, kada isa ka puno ang tag 25 pesos ang kada usa. So tulo na siya katuig apandagan gyapon og bunga. Og karon mo na ni ang seedling nga among pagapaliton. Nindot kaayo nga seedling tag 25 ang kada usa ani. So 2,750 ang seedling nga among gipalit tag 25 pesos ang kada isa. So kuan gyud daghan gyud